Hey everybody, how are y'all doing? I hope everyone's doing well. I'm sorry for my absence. I've been a little tied up. I'm in school full time, I work full time, and I've just been like really busy. It's been crazy going back to school after all these years because I've got a lot to learn about the way that they do things now. But anyway, I just thought I would hop on real quick. I got a box in with a few things to show y'all, and I'm just going to do a quick unboxing because I will be doing reviews on these in the future. Y'all know me, I'm Alice. I'm a brand ambassador with Tia Maria Wigs, and Tia sent me this. Anyway, so let's dig in. Okay, here we go. All right. First up, Tressler, one of my favorites. Love Tressler. It's a wonderful brand. They have some awesome lace fronts, especially some of their new fibers are awesome. Now this wig though is a synthetic wig. This is the beautiful Blaze, and the color is in chiffon candy. Okay, and I'm not gonna do like a full review or anything like that right now. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail because I will be doing a full review on it. She is a beauty. She's really pretty. So this is Blaze by Tressler. Okay. So let's look at the next one. Okay. So this is Gabor. It is Blushing Beauty. Okay, and this is in Honey Toast. Okay, it's a nice little color for fall. All right, look at that. Look at those curls. Look how cute. She's so cute. So there you go. Blushing Beauty by Gabor. Now, who doesn't love our little black combs? We all love our black combs. Tia was awesome enough to send me a new one. I love these. This one is an Aesthetica Designs, and I'm pretty sure that Tia has some of these listed on her site if y'all need to purchase one, and I'll be showing you more about that later. Okay, this I think is going to be awesome for a lot of people. So this is a band. It's a hair band, hair grip. Okay, this is called the hair grip, and I think that we're going to find that this is the hair grip. Okay, it comes in 4 different colors. It comes in gray, tan, black, and brown. Okay, and it also comes in 3 different sizes. So there's a small, a medium, and a large. Okay, not going to get into too much detail about it. I will take it out and I will show it whenever I do a review video. But this is really awesome. I'm really excited about this to be able to show it to y'all. Okay, so this is really kind of all I have for you today. I just wanted to hop on here real quick because it had been a minute and just say hi to everybody. Thank y'all for following me and supporting my page. If y'all have any questions, please, again, feel free to reach out. Anything that y'all might want to know, just reach out. We'll be more than happy to go over it, to talk about it with you, or to make a video. You know, I mean, that's what we're here for. So thank y'all so much, and I hope that y'all have a great day.